Нынешняя напряженность вокруг рифа Жэньай и острова Хуанъянь касается основного вопроса о праве собственности. Джордж Ео, ученый, а также бывший министр иностранных дел Сингапура.
During the period of colonialism, countries were not yet born. So when they were born, they thought it very unfair that almost all the South China Sea should have been claimed by China. So I think this is at the heart of it. Much of what the Philippines is now doing is the result of domestic politics. President Duterte had reached some kind of an understanding with China, including the beach LSD on Renai Chiao. But under President Marcos, they felt that was unfair, and they want to repair that ship, which is breaking down. And that's the proximate cause of the current tension. When the Philippines took China to UNCLOS, it never consulted ASEAN. So ASEAN felt no obligation to support the Philippines. And over the second Thomas show, or Renai Chiao, ASEAN shows great discomfort because they really don't want escalation and conflict in our own backyard.
Трибунал вынес решение в пользу Филиппин. Позиция Пекина ясна. Это постановление является незаконным и недействительным. Никакого принятия, участия, признания и реализации.
I remember reading through the UNCLOS tribunal report. It was about 400 pages, and I thought it was kind of strange because China wasn't there, and it adjudged to be a weak case. I think the legality of China's claims is not weak at all, but it's not well presented in non-Chinese languages.
Многие наблюдатели утверждают, что арбитражное разбирательство лишь затянуло разрешение споров. Напряженность продолжает расти.